Average swamp logger job description. Swamp logging is a physically demanding job that involves cutting down trees in wetland areas or swamps. The job typically requires working in muddy and swampy conditions, and may involve wading through waist-deep water to access the logging site. As an average swamp logger, your job duties would typically include operating heavy equipment. You would be responsible for operating heavy machinery, such as feller bunchers, skidders, and forwarders, to cut down trees and transport them out of the swamp. Cutting down trees. You would use chainsaws and other cutting tools to fell trees in the swamp. This can be a dangerous job, and you would need to follow strict safety protocols to prevent accidents. Removing brush and debris. Once the trees have been cut down, you would need to remove any debris and brush from the site to ensure that the area is clear for the next logging operation. Maintaining equipment. You would be responsible for performing regular maintenance on the equipment to ensure that it is in good working order. This may include tasks such as changing oil and filters, sharpening chainsaw blades, and replacing worn parts. Following environmental regulations. Swamp logging is subject to strict environmental regulations, and you would need to follow these regulations to ensure that the logging operation is sustainable and does not damage the ecosystem. Working as part of a team. Swamp logging typically involves working as part of a team, and you would need to communicate effectively with other team members to ensure that the job is done safely and efficiently. Overall, swamp logging can be a challenging and physically demanding job, but it can also be rewarding for those who enjoy working outdoors and don't mind getting dirty. If you are interested in pursuing a career in swamp logging, you would typically need to have a high school diploma or equivalent, as well as some experience operating heavy machinery.